program is almost finished. And we would like to say something, a special announcement para sa inyong lahat. Actually, meron kaming na-receive na gift. Gusto namin i-share na rin sa inyo lahat kung ano yung gift na yun. Actually, si Rachel po ay pregnant na. Yun. So, Dad, Ma'am, Tita, magkakaako na po kayo. Nangyari po to kasi alam niyo naman po yung field of work ko, palagi po akong umaalis agad. So, baka po by next month, aalis na po ako. So, we will only have one chance to do it. So, hindi po ganun kadali po yatang gawin yun. So, kaya we started early. 3 months ago po namin dinicide na try ko yun. So, kaya yun, si Rachel po ay 3 months na ngayon, going to 4. So, in a few months, or sana sa binyag, makita-kita rin tayo. Yun na po, thank you po. Thank you po ulit sa inyo lahat.
Kaya yung dress ko ganito. Kasi hindi na ako makahinga na. So thank you pala to everyone na everyone helped us with the preparation, with all the bridal fairs, all the emails, calls, texts, whatever. Thank you and salamat po sa lahat ng tumulong sa amin yung lahat po ng mga nag-prepare. Thank you very much kasi kung wala kayo, wala rin yung very wonderful wedding. Perfect siya for me. So, thank you po sa inyo lahat and sana po maintindihan niyo yung explanation ni Evans. Ano lang kami, logical thinkers lang. So, kasi siman, so baka mahirapan, gano'n. I hope you understand us. Thank you.
Of course, we understand you, and everybody is very happy for the couple tonight. How about a big round of applause, please? So 1 plus 1 and another one tonight. There you go.
One more pala. Aside from our guests, we'd like to thank especially our principal sponsors. Siyempre, kung wala rin kayo, kayong mga, actually, talagang pre-selected yung mga aming, kung meron mga audition, magpapa-audition sana kami ng mga principal sponsors. Kasi gusto talaga namin, coming from our experience sa families namin, gusto talaga namin people who we really look up to. So, we always pray for your help para mag-guide niyo pa kami lahat ng maraming mga taon. So, thank you. And to Lolo, salamat po. At kahit medyo matagal yung program, and Miss Lenny, salamat po sa lahat ng tulong. Okay, may sasabihin po siya.
Yun. So, thank you po ulit, Ma'am, Dad, Tita, thank you po. Actually, 9 o'clock pa lang, so mayroon pang after party, magsiserve yata ng beer sa ganun. So yung mga iinom, mga taga-globe, saka yung mga lalaki doon, mga kabarkada ko. Stay lang kayo at meron tayong parang konting after party. Thank you po.
Alright. Good. Thank you so much to Evans and Rachel. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to invite the two of you, the bride and groom over here at the dance floor. Nasabi po nila, syempre,